Good day everyone, welcome to Goes to 11 Get Spun. Today I'm going to show you how we assemble one of our Getting Hooked Lures rattle spinners. We're going to use these for ice fishing. We'll fish them through the ice and jig them, rattle them, put a bait on them, whatever we're going to use for bait. You can also use this in the summertime, cast it with a spinning rod or troll it in your boat. With some weight. They're fairly light, about 1/8 of an ounce, so if you're going to cast them or troll them, I would suggest you add a weight or something like that to your leader. Anyway, we'll start with a 30 thou stainless steel wire. Add the loop in it. Twist the loop up. And then we'll add an eyeball bead. This one happens to be a yellow with a black pupil. I chose that because I'm going to match it to the color of my rattle. Then I drop a black 7/32 brass bead on there to give it a little bit of weight, and then we'll add our rattle. It's got 3 balls in it. They're about 7/8 of an inch long. I've dyed this one yellow. They come clear, so I have quite a few different colors of dye, and we've dyed them a few different colors. Then I'll add a 3/16 inch brass bead above that to act as a bushing between our blade and our rattle. This is a number 4 sonic spinner blade that we've painted with glow yellow chartreuse and glow blue powder paint. So this glows pretty good. Install that. Always like to ensure it spins freely like that. Bend your wire. Snip that off. Back in the twister, push it down, wind it till you hear it click. It's a nice tight loop. And then on these I'm using a number 6 double hook. They got a split. They're not brazed or anything together, so you can just slip your hook on there and snap it into place. And that's how we assemble that rattle spinner. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. Hit the reminder bell so you don't miss any further content from Goes to 11, and check out the online store at fishingandoutdoors.ca. Rick with Goes to 11 has set that up, and he's working on some stuff for Canada and the USA. Tight lines everyone, and thanks again for watching.